Hey, you slick! You looking to acquire a little firepower? Now there's a beaut. The Nightmare Box. Because nothing says back off like a posse of resurrected ghouls from the afterlife. The Winterizer. Turn your enemies into harmless snowmen. Keep the safety on. The new line just arrived, sir. Thug armor. Tough, machine washable, and by the smell of it, made with durable Sargassian troglosaur hide.
Ratchet from just a few hours ago, when you helped Neftin Inventor and Rob murder his friends and break out of a mobile prison ship. You should have got I hate wombats. You're going to hurt now. Fight! What a lovely day for a movie! Introducing the Mangler! We put this baby out of 100 destroyed Terracnoid ships. Now it has only one purpose. Kill. Oh, wait, it also slices our brick oven pizza. Two purposes. It has two purposes. You're a rugged rock. Looks like we have a battle, folks. Nailed him with the proton pulse. That was incredible. Attention employees, Doug Smalless has just been nominated for the best small mercenary company to work for. This is our fourth nomination in his many years. Pat yourselves on the back, Dugs. We couldn't have done it without murdering the competition. Literally. Looks like it's charging up for a proton pulse. 30 seconds left!
Mr. Zircon does not require orders. His currency is paid. Keep the chain, stinky idiot. You are deceivers, and Mr. Zircon is the new.
10 seconds left! This modified Volcanoid carries pyrocytic flame jets, salvaged from a Valkyrie warship. It says here the Blazebot is newly single and trying his hand at HoloNet dating. He's looking for someone who enjoys old films, going to the gym, and setting fire to pretty much everything. This Lombax has skill! I don't know whether we should recruit him or carve him up for breakfast! Sounds like he's out of ammo!
Are you about Mr. Zircon? Grace! You dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with Grace? You dare to hurt easy Dad is too stupid for Mr. Zircon. These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives
The Lombax is victorious! Congratulations, Space Rat! You win a brand new jetpack upgrade!
Vendra said something about planet Silox. Perhaps we should investigate.
Looks Raritanium for an upgrade. The Nightmare Box. Because nothing says back off like a posse of resurrected ghouls from the afterlife. Boom! Done! No Raritanium, no upgrade.
Look at him go! He's unnatural! He passes through his first ring. The Lombax strikes the needle. He passes through another ring. Like a majestic flying space rat. Another ring! Not bad for a Lombax, am I right? No instrument of death will be complete without flame jets! Anyone smell that? It's like bird cackling. Tin can on his back is Clank, a zoning robot who acts as Ratchet's adorable logical foil. This round goes to the Lombax. Well, that was a close one. This Lombax really wants to join Thugs for Less. Should we tell him there really is no job? Someone call the coroner! This one is just about dead! No instrument of death will be complete without flame jets! I think I want to kill you! Anyone smell that? It's like bird cackling. time to take to the skies with our jetpack challenge!
You ain't said so.
Five more to go! Thanks for listening. Corporate HQ, we'd like to remind you that if you're not participating in today's event, you should be out killing something. Just 10 more seconds! Looks like we have a battle, folks!
I ain't no Nexus. Where are you, Ratchet? Let's have some fun.
He could be in trouble if he doesn't find more ammo soon!
Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon? Hello, stinky aliens.
30 seconds until this game is over!
Nothing personal, kid. Just business.
Hey,
on his back is Clank, a zoning robot who acts as Ratchet's adorable logical boy. This Lombax ain't skilled. I don't know whether we should recruit him or calm him up for breakfast. This round goes to the Lombax.
Ready for an upgrade?
Following me. You know, when Neff and I first got here, this city was filled with people. People who didn't understand what it's like to grow up alone. They had mothers and fathers who cared for them. All we had was each other. But that's going to change soon.
You don't think she's gonna bring that thing into our world, do you? If Vendra is determined enough to get the entire sector evacuated, I believe she is capable of anything. We must find her.
Evacuation is now in progress. Please gather your belongings and vacate to the nearest non-haunted planet. When the last one out, please turn on the Omega Tech defense system. Thank you, and don't forget to vote.
This must be the old grav train station.
Everyone sure left in a hurry. Let's see if we can clear that track.
The new line just arrived.
Hey, I found another rhino part. Good going.
to leave lying around the galaxy, look for 6 more, uh-huh.
If you see a ghost, please do not attempt to reflect it. Chances are, it's not so much adorable as it is murderous and evil. Thank you, and don't forget to vote Dumbledore.
Is it true Emperor Tachyon offered you a way home and you turned him down? I don't think I could have done that. We wanted to go home, but we'd been here too long. So we decided to bring home to us.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Mr. Zircon does not require votes. His currency is
Space
paid.
rat! How dare you hurt my friends! You're going to regret that!
Mr. Zircon is bored. Crates! You dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates?
If any ghosts are listening, I would like to reiterate that we are not your enemies. I, Mayor Dumblebrick, am your friend. If you're going to haunt someone, please, make it my in-laws. I'm just kidding.
Be careful, Ratchet. That turret is still active.
If you find yourself possessed by a demon on your way to the extraction point, please do not board a transport.
Patrols on the bridge. Scout ahead for me, would you, pal?
Secret Agent Clank reporting for duty. I believe that console is a relay station for the thugs' communication. Accessing it may allow us to triangulate the twins' position. We should be safe as long as we stay clear of those searchlights.
Another empty power socket.
activated.
I ain't afraid.
You're so afraid. You're like a little...
No, Max is in. Let's see how you handle Max. Come on, then. We just talked.
For those of you staying behind, a government-funded seance will be held at the city spaceport. It's just like a regular seance, only slower and far less efficient.
Let's take a shortcut through the waterways. Tal, come in. We need to get through the Weeblesnog waterworks, but the place is flooded.
Let's see. According to the city planner's office, that main pump is connected to the primary reservoir. Turn it on and the whole room should drain.
Tal, come in. We need to get through the Weeblesnog waterworks, but the place is flooded.
Let's see. According to the city planner's office, that main pump is connected to the primary reservoir. Turn it on and the whole room should drain.
Look, down there.
water is rising.
Oh boy.
Hey, come back! I hear that Lombax is sneaking around here. How many times do we have to kill this fucker?
Furball. It ain't just any furball. It's Ratchet. Call in the dropship.
Keep the chain, sneaky in.
I'm gonna crush ya. Kill a single Lombax? What am I paying you for?
You heard it, friends. Earn your cape and slide it off.
That's us!
I hear that Lombax is sneaking around here.
Ready for an upgrade? Now there's a beaut. Nether blades. A dangerous weapon for dangerous adventures. Done and done. Like a whole new weapon, ain't it?
Sneaking around here. How many times do we have to kill this?
It's Ratchet. Call in the dropship.
Mr. Zircon does not require votes. His currency is paid. You look like you could do with a good killing.
How difficult is it to kill a single Lombax? What am I paying you for?
You earned it. Earn your tape and slide it over.
Did you know he's never lost a fight?
Attention citizens, I've heard that many of you are wondering about all of those first bank of Weevil Snog crates currently being loaded onto my transport shuttle. Well, as your humble elected leader, I can assure you they are most definitely not the bolts that were stolen by the ghosts in this fair city. These crates are filled with top-secret mayoral documentation and paperwork and office supplies. Don't come break.
Vendra, don't do this. Just think, if this creature cares so much about you, why did your parents send you here?
Don't try to trick me. It won't work.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. You dare to hurt measly furball? Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon?
Is that him? Stop leaping at every shadow. When the longback shows himself, you know.
Ready for an upgrade? You're gonna need more raritanium for that.
He's here! Only all units and send it out!
Discover a fictional set of tunnels supposedly used to transport stolen gold to a transport ship. This is a bad idea. That area has no tunnels. The super technology. It's also filled with demons and
Been killed by Mr. Zircon yet?
Kill it and take his vengeance! us, criminals! He's still alive! Your brochure guaranteed 100% kill rate. Send in a gunship. I want Ratchet's head off. Pike and his robot turned to scrap. Platform! Drown the space rat! This is no survivors! Sorry, Pepper. Oh, ain't nothing personal.
That was a close one, huh?
Sorry about the thugs. But look at it this way. When Mr. I is here, you'll be killed anyway. Just trying to speed things along.
Vendra, what do you really know about this thing?
He's not a thing. He's a friend. The largest and proudest of the Nethers.